Welcome to Crafting Excellence, the making of a Rolls-Royce car. In this journey, we'll delve deep into the meticulous process of creating one of the world's most iconic luxury vehicles. Rolls-Royce, known for its unparalleled craftsmanship and attention to detail, has been synonymous with automotive excellence for over a century. Our journey begins with the design and concept phase. Here, Rolls-Royce's dedicated team of designers, led by their vision and passion for luxury, sketches the very essence of each car.
Wave beats music.
They pay close attention to their clients' desires and aspirations, ensuring every Rolls-Royce is a unique masterpiece. Next, we venture into the world of material selection. Rolls-Royce spares no expense in choosing only the finest materials. From high-grade steel to aluminum, exquisite wood veneers to sumptuous leather, every component is chosen for its quality and sustainability.
Wave beats music.
The heart of every Rolls-Royce lies in its engine. Each one is a masterpiece, handcrafted to perfection. Precision engineering ensures unrivaled performance, delivering both power and refinement that Rolls-Royce is renowned for.
Wave beats.
Step into the interior, where true craftsmanship shines. Hand-stitched leather upholstery and wood veneers are meticulously selected and crafted by artisans. Even modern technology is seamlessly integrated without compromising the traditional luxury experience.
Wave beats music.
As we move forward, we witness the construction of the car's body. Here, a delicate balance between robotics and skilled artisans is achieved. The painting and finishing process is a work of art, where imperfections are not tolerated.
Rolls-Royce's assembly line is a culmination of precision and dedication.
Music.
music.
Rigorous quality control measures are implemented at every stage. Testing and inspection procedures ensure that every Rolls-Royce meets the highest standards of excellence, including safety and emissions compliance. One of the hallmarks of Rolls-Royce is the extensive customization and personalization options. Clients are intimately involved in shaping their dream car, from choosing bespoke features to collaborating with their preferred artisans. At the final stage, rigorous inspections and meticulous checks ensure that each Rolls-Royce is flawless.
Wave beats music.
The moment of delivery is a culmination of the entire process, a momentous occasion in the lives of clients as they receive the keys to their Rolls-Royce.
Wave beats music.
As we conclude our journey, we reflect on Rolls-Royce's remarkable legacy and influence in the automotive industry. From the classic icons of the past to the modern-day marvels, owning a Rolls-Royce is not just an experience, it's a legacy. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey through the creation of a Rolls-Royce car. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible insights into the world of luxury cars. Stay tuned for our upcoming content,